What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm actually going to be installing the pedal commander. I did get this off of TacomaBeast.com, so if you do want to go ahead and purchase your own, that's where to get it. It's going to be in the description box below. Also going to be doing a giveaway for a K&N drop-in air filter. So if you do want to go ahead and win this, make sure to stay until the end of the video. But in today's video, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and give you a just how to install, and then I'm going to go ahead and give you a couple clips on just how to use it. And then at the end, I'll go ahead and just give you the details on how you can win that K&N filter. And the cool thing about this install that I'm doing today is you could literally be anywhere. As you can tell, I'm out in the wild. Just kidding, but I'm outside, and you don't need no tools or nothing like that. So let's go ahead and get into the install and just show you how it's done. Alright, so first thing you want to do is go ahead and go to your driver's side. This is where we're going to be installing it, so you want to work on this side. So let's go ahead and open up the box and show you what's inside. I've already opened it up, so it's kind of messed up, but here we go. So inside the box, you of course get your pedal commander. It does have different options. It has an option for Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus, which we'll get into later in the video. So you want to go ahead and pop it out. So inside the box, you're going to get your little instruction manual. It gives you all the options and just how to use it. Another thing that comes inside is like some type of alcohol wipe, I'm assuming, because you are going to have to find the spot on where you want to go ahead and mount it. So that's cool to have. And then it also comes with the double-sided kind of sticker tape, I guess, because you're going to have to put it on one side of the pedal commander and then find the spot where you want to mount it. Alright, so don't be discouraged. This is super simple install. The first thing you want to do is, of course, like I said, go to your driver's side. We're going to go underneath and locate your actual gas pedal of the truck. You're going to notice there is a connection right there. You want to go ahead and pull that up, which I'll show you in a minute. But I did want to state that is kind of super hard to remove, so kind of take your time on it, but get a good grip. So let's go ahead and remove that right now. So once you get it removed, you want to go ahead and now get your pedal commander. Alright, so on your pedal commander, you're going to notice there is two harnesses. One of the harnesses is going to go connected to the harness from the truck that you just removed, and then the other side of the harness is going to go connected to the gas pedal. So I'm going to start by installing the one for the gas pedal. When installing this, make sure you connect it super straight right on there, or else it won't go in. And click it. Once it's clicked on, now we can connect the stock harness and the other side of the pedal commander together. Alright, once we're done, as you can tell, we connected one side of the harness to the stock harness of the truck, and then the other side we connected to the actual gas pedal. So technically you're just doing a T kind of connection. So once you have everything wired up, you just got to find the spot for it. I'm probably going to be putting it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and clean off the surface spot with the rag or cleaner that it came with, and then I'll go ahead and put the sticky on and install this. Once I do that, I'll show you how this works, and then we'll go ahead and get into the giveaway. Let's do it. Now that I have it all installed, I've mounted it here. Looks pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this really quick and just show you how to use it. Like I said, this is going to be a quick overview. I'm going to go ahead and start the truck really quick. Alright, so right now that I have the truck on, you're going to notice none of the lights are on. When none of the lights are on, that just means you're pretty much in stock mode. So it's like if you didn't have this installed at all. So right now we're in stock mode. So if you do want to go ahead and start it, you want to go ahead and click this little star. So power button. So you're going to notice there's different options. So there's Eco, there's City, there's Sport, and the Sport Plus. Supposedly the City is the best for normal driving. And then there's the Sport, which is for spirited driving supposedly. And then there's Sport Plus, which I thought was super funny. It says it's for the track. I doubt I'm ever taking this bad boy to the track. It's super slow. No point of that. But that's cool that they offer that. I can't wait to try that out. And then for Eco mode, you want to go ahead and hold the button down for 3 seconds. And it goes into Eco mode. Supposedly this one's best when you're like in snow or just anywhere to kind of keep your traction. So that's pretty awesome to have. Another thing that you could note, and this goes for each setting, you're going to notice right here at the bottom there's a minus and there's a plus. So minus would just be like saying -4 would be the least amount of eco you get, and then if you go to like the plus, let's go all the way to +4, +4 would be like the highest level of eco that you can do. That's probably going to throw me almost into limp mode. That's probably what it's going to feel like. But yeah, that's just how to use it. Stay tuned, because I am going to be doing a kind of like a in-depth review on this. I'll go ahead and give you guys timing, and I'm also going to be getting real life reactions, so I'm going to make a video on that. I'm going to get real life reactions of people. I'll go ahead and let them drive the truck and just kind of hide the camera, record them, and see what they think about it. So hopefully those people aren't watching this video right now, but that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. So what we're going to be doing right now is I have my truck basically stock. I have the pedal commander turned off. On Chris's truck, he has his ECT power on. We're gonna go ahead and do a quick run and see whose truck is faster. So, on 3 honks.
It's fucking dead on even. Yeah. He might have gotten off the gun just half a second earlier. That's why he got a little bit closer.
Just saw that the ECT button on these Tacomas doesn't really do anything. We floored it. So up next, I'm gonna go on Sport Plus. He's gonna keep his on ECT, and let's just see what happens. You guys just saw that. Now I have it in Sport Plus, +4 on the pedal commander. Chris has his on ECT power still. We're gonna go ahead and run it and see the difference.
All right, hurry up.
So on 3. You guys noticed we just ran the trucks. There's basically, I mean, there's no horsepower change. It does kind of help with the pedal response. But right now, what we're gonna go ahead and do is just get Chris's reaction really quick, just so he sees. Of course, he has his own Tacoma, so he knows how it drives stock. And now we're gonna go ahead and get his real life reaction on how it is with the pedal commander on Sport Plus, 4 Plus. So let's go ahead and get your initial reaction.
Oh, that's
it's weird, huh?
More sensitive.
Like you barely tap it,
and it just wants to go.
Time for burnouts?
I'm not even pressing the gas. That was barely pressing it. Holy shit! I'm afraid to press it in the neighborhood right now. Jeez. Yeah, I'd have to get used to this.
It's weird, huh?
It's like you're slamming the pedal on it each time. See, I'm not used to it.
Here, stop driving. We're gonna go ahead and throw this in eco really quick.
Because eco's supposed to lower it and
good luck.
Better gas mileage.
It drives really weird. That's all I gotta say. Like it feels like it's a lamp or something, huh?
I feel like you floored it right there and we weren't moving.
I don't like it.
It feels like you're in limp mode, huh?
Yeah, it's
weird.
I don't understand how that would help, because you have to gas it every single time.
I don't either.
I'll explain to you what's going on after.
I don't like it.
No, I won't explain. I'll tell Jess and then you can tell the camera.
We got a quick reaction from Chris. I didn't really show you how to use it exactly. The reason why is because, like I said, I'll do a review video down the road after a couple uses. We did race, me and Chris, we raced our trucks. The reason we did that is because, if you remember in the beginning, I wanted to state something. So basically what this does is it's not really giving you more horsepower. It's just kind of helping your pedal response. You want to explain what little Steve doesn't want to say on camera because he's shy?
The pedal commander, what it does is it intercepts that signal from your pedal, your gas pedal, to your ECU, and it just tells you, like, say you put in the Sport Plus at 4, you know, if you're giving, like, you know, 20% gas, it's going to tell your ECU that you're giving 40 or 50. So it's going to trick your computer into thinking that it's actually, the gas is being pressed a lot harder, so you get more of a faster response. And then same thing with eco, it's the opposite. If you're pushing down 50% of your gas pedal, it's only going to tell the computer that it's only putting down 20-25. To, you know, that's where the eco comes in. Because if you gas it everywhere you go, that's where you burn up more gas that way. But with the eco mode, and it's restricting that to an extent, and that's where you start saving gas. But that's pretty much how it works.
Exactly. Just keep in mind, like we stated, it doesn't really add horsepower, it just kind of tricks it. It's something you need to get used to, especially in Sport Plus. It's a different...
Very sensitive.
Yeah.
And I heard a lot of people say too, it's like turning the ECT power button on. That is
false.
It's nothing like that.
It's not compared
at all.
Yeah.
I don't know how to explain it. Maybe if you put it in sport, and then maybe it might be like putting an ECT, but Sport Plus or anything like that, they're full of it.
Yeah,
I tried driving this in a neighborhood and I almost crashed because that damn thing is too sensitive. It's not like the ECT power.
As you guys heard it from us right now, if you do want to purchase it, it's in the description box below. Got it from TacomaBeast.com. Stay tuned for the review video of it. It's going to come down the road. Let's go ahead and just tell you guys how you guys can win the K&N drop-in air filter. So here it is. Chris is the winner. Yeah. Now basically we're going to make it super simple. Literally just like the video, make sure to comment done, and that's honestly it. And then in about 2 weeks, I'll go ahead and announce the winner. So if you guys do want to enter, that's literally it. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.